Alright, so we got a 2009 Land Rover LR2, also known as a Freelander. And I'm going to try to start it now, and you hear how it hesitates. Actually, no, what? It started right away. But a lot of times it hesitates to start. And you'll smell gas around the vehicle too. So, trying to pinpoint the problem out. These seats, they just pull up. There's a little tab. You just pull both of these up. And there's a little cap. So you pull this up, and there's a cap underneath it, the rubber cap. Now, the problem here is you can actually see. I'll try to change the intensity on this. Okay, so you can see it right here, right in the spot where I'm just highlighting it right now. You can see how wet it is out here, and the whole tank is wet there. So what happens is when you start the vehicle, I don't want to start it now because it's spraying fuel. Right out of this plastic fitting, right where I'm pointing right now, it's just spraying fuel. So if you have a problem with yours, you look underneath. There's nothing there now, but there's gonna be a puddle right here in front of the passenger side rear. There'll be a puddle of gas, and the car will smell like gas, like you have some problems with, gas lines. And that's where it is right here. This is fairly common with other Land Rovers too. Basically, this thing cracks on all of them, most of them, Range Rovers and Land Rovers and all that good stuff. There's no way to get this out of here, so you have to drop the tank. This wouldn't have any codes on it, so you would start the car, it would hesitate to start, it would drive normal. You might have a hesitation once in a while when you really need the gas, especially in high temperatures and